Hi there, and welcome back to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to draw a horizontal line in TradingView Shortcut. Have you ever found yourself analyzing a chart, trying to mark a specific price level, but you can't seem to do it quickly without breaking your focus? Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, mastering charting tools like horizontal lines can really enhance your trading analysis and strategy. TradingView is a robust platform for both technical and fundamental analysis, offering numerous tools to help you visualize market trends and price movements. Today, we will focus on one of the most basic yet vital tools, the horizontal line. It's perfect for identifying support and resistance levels, marking entry and exit points, or simply highlighting price zones you're interested in. Imagine this. You're looking at your chart, and you've pinpointed a price level you want to mark. The first step is to hover your mouse over this specific price level. This step is crucial because aligning your cursor to the precise point ensures accuracy in your analysis. Once your mouse is in place, the magic happens with a simple keyboard shortcut. If you're using a Windows PC, press Alt+H. If you're on a Mac, switch Alt with Option and press Option+H. Remember, H stands for horizontal, making it easier to recall. In an instant, a horizontal line will appear exactly where your cursor was positioned. This line serves as a static reference point on your chart, making it easier to grasp market dynamics quickly. It's a handy feature that traders appreciate for its simplicity and the speed it offers in maintaining clean, focused charts. With practice, you'll find yourself using this shortcut regularly, streamlining your charting work and keeping clarity even as your data becomes more complex. Consistency is key in trading. Embedding small efficiencies, like mastering keyboard shortcuts, into your routine can add up to significant time savings over the long term. So, next time you're analyzing a chart on TradingView, take advantage of this quick, efficient method to mark your horizontal lines without interrupting your workflow. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to draw a horizontal line in TradingView Shortcut. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel TMN Online.